Hello, hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Duties. Today our topic of my video is a CPU AC or DC. A CPU operate DC direct current power while household electrically is typically AC alternating current. A computer's power supply unit PSU convert the incoming AC power to the necessary DC voltage that the CPU and other components requires. Here are more detailed explanations. AC power. The electricity provided to homes and buildings is unusually AC. This is because AC is more efficient for transforming electricity over long distance. Here is the images of CPU 1212 AC and DC. CPU internal AC DC load line. Upgrade and repair. Singapore power adapter for AIO desktop. AC and DC computer lasting. How does a computer's What does CPU internal AC DC? What does CPU internal AC DC load line? Simitech S7 1200 PLC CP. Show more. The electricity provide a home and building is usually AC. This is because AC is more efficient for transmitting electricity over long distance. DC power. Electronic components like CPUs, memory, and storage devices need a stable, consistent flow of electricity, which is provided by DC. Power supply unit PSU. The PSU inside a computer takes the AC power from wall outlet and convert it into several different DC voltage. Example plus 33V plus 5 voltage plus 12 voltage needed by the various components. Power supply unit PSU. The PSU inside a computer takes the ground power from the wall outlet and convert into several different DC voltage. Restrictions and regulations. The PSU uses components like transformers and recite recite fillers change the AC voltage to DC and then regulate it to ensure stable power supply for the CPU and other parts. Does CPU work on AC or DC? The internal components of a CPU work on DC, but since in households we don't have DC, so we use a AC to DC converts. SMPS protects the system from power surges on which current to computer run AC or DC. What is the difference between using an AC cables versus DC? More results from Kura.com. I hope you like my information. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.